United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 205, Publication of Reports. States shall publish reports of the results obtained pursuant to Article 204 or provide such reports at appropriate intervals to the competent international organizations, which should make them available to all states. Article 206, Assessment of potential effects of activities. When states have reasonable grounds for believing that planned activities under their jurisdiction or control may cause substantial pollution of or significant and harmful changes to the marine environment, they shall, as far as practicable, assess the potential effects of such activities on the marine environment, and shall communicate reports of the results of such assessments, in the manner provided in Article 205.